How to get 20% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Once you're in the website, you can just scroll down and check out the offers. 80% off, 90% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code and then check whether the code is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Temu. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and pass it to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. To use any of the offer, you have to apply the same exact steps. So this way you can easily get up to 20% off Temu working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.